Hello, my name is Patricio Martínez.
I'm Lozano.
I'm Diego Álvarez.
I'm Gabriel Padilla, and this is our math project. A right triangle is a triangle where one of its interior angles is a right angle, which is an angle of 90 degrees. Here we have a real-life application of our right triangle. The angle of elevation of an airplane is 23 degrees. If the airplane's altitude is 2,500 meters, how far away is it? Here we have our 23-degree angle, and here is the airplane.
So if you're in point A, you have to find the length of x, which would be using the sign of 23, that would be opposite, which is 2,500, over the hypotenuse, which is this one. That would give you 6,410 meters. So right here we have the answer of how far away the airplane is, but if you want to find the rest of the angles and sides, you would have to subtract 90 and 23 from 180, that would be 67. So if you want to find the adjacent, you would use the tangent of 67, that would be the opposite over the adjacent, that would give you 1,603 meters. So finally we have all the answers, which will be these 23, 6,410 meters, 1,063 meters, 67 degrees, 90 degrees.
An oblique triangle is a triangle with no right angles, and also a must is that all the sides must be different in the measurements, and it's either one of these two acutes or all acute. Law of sines is the relationship between the sides and the angle of a non-right triangle. Simply, it states that the ratio of the length of a side of a triangle to the sine of the angle opposite, that the side is the same for all sides and angles in a given triangle.
The law of cosines is a law in trigonometry where the cosine of an arc of a spherical triangle equals to the product of the cosines of the remaining arcs plus the product of the sines of those arcs, and then the cosine of the angle between them.
So this is the real-life application of an oblique triangle, where from the lighthouse we can see two islands, and it only gives us the distance between the islands and the distance from island C to the angle A. So what we need to search for is the distance from island B to the lighthouse.
Using law of cosines in our oblique triangle, we need the formula of c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab times cos to the c. Applying our numbers, 54 covers letter A, 93 covers letter B, and cosine of 63 degrees. So we start multiplying. C squared equals 2,916 plus 8,649 minus 10,044 cosine to the 63 degrees. Multiplying everything, adding and subtracting, we get 7,005.119421. C equals 83.7. This is our side C, that is from lighthouse to island B. Here we can see that our triangle already completed all the sides. Now we're going to find angle B and angle A. Using law of sines, we're going to use the formula of law of sines to find angle A. We can see that we use sin 63 degrees over side C, that is 83.7, equals angle A over side A, which is 54. First, we send 54 multiplying the other side. We can see that we have the multiplication here. we solved the problem by multiplying and dividing, and it gives us this number. Then using inverse of sine, it gave us 35 degrees. Then we can see that our oblique triangle is almost completed. We're only missing angle B. Finally, we need to get angle B. We add up angle C and A, which is 63 plus 35, given 98. All angles added up, they need to give 180. So we made 180 minus 98 equals 82. So we already find our angle B. We already finished our oblique triangle application. We can see all the sides and angles answered.